Is Steam Cloud locking you out of your progress with that annoying error message? Let's get those game saves back in sync. First, we're going to tackle the most common culprit: corrupted game files. Open your Steam library. Right-click on the game you're having trouble with and select Properties. Once in the Properties menu, navigate to the Local Files tab here. You'll find an option to verify integrity of game files. Click this, and Steam will scan and redownload any missing or corrupted files, which often resolves the cloud error. If verifying doesn't do the trick, sometimes the issue lies within Steam's download cache. To clear this, go to the Steam menu, then select Settings. In the Settings window, find and click on Downloads. In the left-hand menu towards the bottom of the Downloads tab, you'll see a button that says Clear Download Cache. Click this, and then restart your Steam client. Sometimes, the simplest solutions work. Ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent Steam Cloud from synchronizing properly. Finally, let's double-check your Steam Cloud settings. Go back to Steam Settings. Then on the left-hand side, click Cloud. Make sure the Enable Steam Cloud option is checked for the game experiencing issues, and generally for all games. By following these steps, verifying game files, clearing the download cache, checking your internet, and confirming cloud settings, you should be able to fix that Steam Cloud error and get back to enjoying your games without worry.